Okay, we're going down this very liminal corridor. Over here we have some more Thyssen Northern elevators. These are some of my favorites in the whole terminal. Custom button. Finally get a good video of these. It's a 3. Or there's the old Otises, which I'll film soon. Sounds like older Dover chimes. So definitely some of the more interesting elevators here. This panel's falling off. Certificate. 4,000 pound capacity. Let's switch cars up here. Yeah. Let's end on the ground floor. But yeah, these are some of my favorites. Actually, I have a bar that covered up the old floor labeling, which I'm assuming has been updated. Custom analog indicator. This guy here. This bumper's kind of falling off. Apparently this one's back in service. I don't know why it wasn't responding to calls before. No, this is the other elevator. I haven't actually ridden this one. It's exactly the same. I guess it's going down the ground.